creating a multi-step form in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create a multi-step form on Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So what you want to do first is to look for a section or a page in your website and where you want to add your multi-step form. So for me, I'll just add it here in this blank page. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to add elements, go to contact and forms, and then from here you can either create your own form from scratch or you can use some templates right here that Wix has made. So for example, I'll use this contact form right here, and then after that it has now added our contact form. So just click on your contact form and then just click on edit form right here, and then from here we can now start editing the details of our contact form. So to add another step or another page in your contact form, what you want to do is go to pages over here and then just click on add page to add another step for your contact form. So in this page 2, you can add more fields right here for your contact form. So in here you can add like details like your address, a file upload if they need to upload something, a link, a star rating, some choices if you want to, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. So yeah, so you can customize these details over here. So you can change the words right here in the form, like what options they can choose, what's the question for that form, changing the font, and a lot more. So feel free to customize your multi-step form out. And then once you're done customizing your multi-step form, just simply click on save to save all of your changes. And then there you go, it is now saved. And now we can now exit out of here. And then there you go. So as you can see that the button right here in our multi-step form has changed from submit to next. So that means that if there's a next button, when you click on next, it will now redirect you to the other step of the form, and then you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a multi-step form in Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.